Hi, silly boy. Hi, silly boy.
He's okay. But the question is, how are we going to get Drakkett back to space?
Trampoline and a balloon. Not just as good as a rocket. Now what are you gonna do? I have an idea. If Arnie needs a new rocket, I don't think it's me.
Bless you. Bless you. Achoo! Bless you. Achoo! Bless you. Bless you. Achoo! Achoo! Where did it go? Where did it go? Peek! There he is! Hi! City boy. Oh, where did it go? Where did it go? Peek! There he is! Oh, what's on the blanket? Are those teddy bears? Are those teddy bears? Where did it go? Where did it go? Peek! There he is! Aw, you're getting sleepy. Okay, cover up and go to sleep. Cover up and go to sleep. Yeah. Oh, where did it go? Peek! There he is. Hi. Hello. Hi, Smiley. Hi, Smiley. Hello. Hello. Hey, Drake. Hi. Hi, Smiley.
That's the story of how Napkin Man helped Arnie the astronaut get his friend Drakkett to space without his favorite rocket.
That's a good story. And you know what, Mr. Anthony?
What?
How about we make favorite space helmet? I can make another one that's just as good.
All right, let's do it. You are go for launch.
What?
In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
What you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Oh, there's a sunbeam. Did you find a sunbeam? You're the silly boy. What are you doing? Oh, somebody's getting sleepy. Somebody's getting sleepy. Is it almost nap time? It's only 9:45. But Mom, I've been up since like 6:37. Yeah.